I got in too deep, but believe me when I say I tried 100 times to tell you, I just couldn't find the right way. I'm sorry, I lied to you, I lied to you, I lied to you. I hope that you're forgiving her, 'cause I don't see you laugh without you.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, traders. How's everybody doing? We made it. We did it. Is it foggy back here? Fuck, man, my eyes are getting so bad, dude. I can't see anything. These glasses I have don't even fucking work anymore. I gotta fix this front screen now. I'm gonna change this up a bit because there's no chat on it anymore. I gotta fix the chat and get that figured out. I gotta put a little work into the stream here again. We gotta get a couple of these partners off the thing. I'm taking off Quant Tower. It's something we can do later, man, on the weekend or something. Really, we should adjust this camera down a bit, dude. So I'm like in the fucking frame, huh? Like that. Jesus Christ. Oh. How are you guys doing, man? I hope you guys made money yesterday. I ended up taking a stop right at the end of the day, so I lost a couple $100 right at the end of the day. We're live on YouTube today too, so we'll try to just stream on those two platforms all the time. Kick, I don't know, man. It's not worth it for me. You know, it uses too much bandwidth to do 3, and I think just 2 is good enough. Yeah, we got to get some of these. We're gonna change up some of the sponsors here. We'll put Hyperliquid on there. Apex can go. The Apex Gex. What's going on, Robus? What do I think on CL? Maybe. What did they sweep? Is this just lows? Yeah, they took the liquidity here on this 4 hour. So yeah, we should see a little pop. We did take the liquidity there on that 4 hour, so. Is it the second time we're taking it? Ooh, it's the second time. I don't know, dude. Maybe. A lot of room to run up here, so maybe. But I don't love it. We should see some kind of action off of this. I didn't have it right, did I? Yeah, it's still the second test. We should see it. You would think that they would take some liquidity to the upside. So, you know, I don't know how much you're gonna expect though. You know, there's a fair value gap here on the 4 hour, so maybe there. This gap right here, this hourly gap. That's what I would be targeting. I kind of wouldn't expect too much more than that. This is most likely going lower, right? Most likely oil is going down here, I would think. This gap, 66. Let me just pull up the daily on oil and I'll give you a little bit better analysis here. Oh shit. Just give me a sec, boys. Sorry, bud. I just had a phone call come in. All right, let's look at the daily here on CL. Yeah, man. Like I still think CL's going lower, right? This gap down here. 60, 66 around. So maybe a little pump. I wouldn't expect too much more than that. Does that make sense? There's probably a 4-hour continuation down. Yeah, this 4-hour. So we'll see. If they gain that, then this gap. Yeah, I would think a pop too, because they just took liquidity. On the CL chart, this is already. There's not much liquidity here, you know. This is already taken. Right, there's nothing here. Not too much anyway. They took the liquidity here right before they left, so there's really not too much there. Yeah, kind of expect 66. Now, if it's just on a smaller time frame, yeah, we had a 15-minute gain. The entry's already in, right? If it's just a 15-minute gain right here, 3-bar right here, so gap entry would have already taken a profit target on the sweep of. I would have took it right here. Targeting here, you know what I mean? Like there's definitely a trade there, but I wouldn't expect too much. You know what I mean? Like I would, like, honestly, they could even just reject this right here. We'll see, because where they stopped it is like nowhere land. What do you guys think? They're signing peace deals. Big day today, right? We have the fucking Fed or whatever today, right? What time's that shit at? Big day today, no? Yeah, FOMC. Not till later this aft. We just had the retail sales. Not too much news in the meantime. All right. What do you guys think, man? What do you guys think for the rates? What do you think about rates? I guess we'll find out later. I can't see this guy cutting rates, man. If this guy cuts rates and inflation's gonna just start going out of control, then like they can't just keep cutting rates. I would think that they would, you know, I want them to keep cutting rates, but yeah, I'm sure it's unchanged this time. I would be very surprised if they didn't. They can't just cut it. Shit's already absolutely out of control. These markets are so overvalued, it's not even funny. You know, let's get ready for some blow off pops here, man. You got the SpaceX IPO, worth more than the biggest some of the biggest companies in the world, and their revenue is like fucking 30 times less. It's crazy, dude. Anyone buying this shit now is like, you know, this is crazy, man. It's craziness. People are gonna fucking eat it. Yeah, people need to understand how this shit works, right? Like some of these people just buy and they don't understand how this works. When a company IPOs, it stayed private for a long time, right? Like especially SpaceX. SpaceX was private, and XAI was private for fucking years, man. It was private for years. So people got in, like, have been doubling, and like they probably got in 10. They've already probably 10 times their money. The people that got in at like the private equity. So, you know, as this shit keeps pumping, it's fucking exit liquidity. You know what I mean? Like, it's so stupid, man. These people are going to sell. You know what I mean? Like, I don't see how they're not just gonna have something that's gone up 20 times or 15 times and not take profits. You know what I mean? It's just not how this happens. You know, this is the same shit every fucking time, man. BDP said this exact same thing, and I agreed with him too. I was like, they're probably gonna pump the shit out of it at first, and then they'll dump the shit out of it. Mark my words, that stock will be trading at $50. Maybe even less. It depends how fucking crazy it is. Yeah, it's crazy. T25, it's nuts. I don't even know what it's at. I haven't really been paying too much attention to it. $207. Someone bought this. Someone bought the top. They're down a bit. I wouldn't even trade this, you know what I mean? Right now, like, you can't, man. It's so bad. Trade something that's run up like 50%. It's had a 50% gain. That's fucking nuts, dude. I'm telling you, man, this chart is gonna trade at fucking $50, man. After the collapse, this will be one of the first ones to go. Once shit starts like collapsing, this one will fucking will crash so fucking hard because there'll be so many people trying to get their fucking money out. I'm telling you, man. I'm sure Skinner's already. He's probably Skinner always holds some, right? So like he probably took some, traded it, and then just moved stop into profit. Took some profits, and then it's just like a free trade. He does that shit all the time. And he just like fucking forgets about it. He doesn't even take PTs. He just leaves it forever. I honestly believe that. Anthropic and OpenAI, like, you know, OpenAI, they really some of their financials got leaked. Holy shit, man, they're losing billions, dude. Billions. I think the last year their net losses were like 23 billion. How the fuck are you losing 23 billion? How is that? How are you worth anything, man, when you're losing that much money? You better hope the shit that your fucking, you know, your models pay off or whatever. It's definitely not going to be from a premium fucking, you know, customer facing website charging $150 for premium services. You know what I mean? Like, that's not going to get you any money. Yeah, there was a leak, man. There was a leak from their financials. There was like, I can't remember what it was. I'll try to fucking find it for you guys, man. I couldn't believe it. I was like, holy shit. Yeah, man. Don't worry. I won't. I'll pause the ads on this site. OpenAI's financials have leaked, showing 21 billion in losses against 13 billion in revenue. Are you fucking kidding me? You know what I mean? Who the fuck is buying this? Who's gonna buy this IPO, man? I'm just trying to find the PE ratio for SpaceX. It's bad for Tesla too. Even at 28 times, it's fucking crazy, man. This whole fucking market's fucked. Yeah, BDP. I think so, man. I think one more push down. I don't think I'm gonna take any kind of trade until the market opens, though. What the fuck? Yeah, you know, on the ES. Oh, that's for the SpaceX. Yeah, 110 PE. That's fucked, man. What's it now? Double that? 200? like Jesus Christ, man. This is just 185 PE ratio. But give me a break, man. It doesn't make any money. How the fuck is it? It's not worth anything, man. I don't know, man. I think I was talking about it before. I'm pretty sure that thing's gonna fall so fucking once the drop comes. I bet you that one drops the hardest out of everything, because there's so much private equity that's gonna be trying to exit, right? A lot of people are in that. A lot of rich people are in that for a long time, right? That shit stayed private for years. It was private for like 7 years or something like that. So it's been funded privately for 7 years, and a lot of people have a lot of money in it. Galaxy. Yeah, we'll be on the moon soon enough. We'll be on the moon. Who the fuck is gonna move to the moon, man? Honestly, dude. Who the fuck would pick to move to the moon? It's so shit. It's cold everywhere. You gotta wear this fucking mask. You can't go outside. Oh my god, man. Whose idea is this, dude? I don't know, man. I think I might sell Tesla. I think I might just sell the Tesla stock I have. I don't know, dude. Yeah, anyway, I still think a little bit lower here on ES and on NQ. This gap. You think they have trading on the moon? Can we connect to this? You think the fucking rhythmic servers will be like okay on the moon? Like once we're on the moon, like I'll still have good connectivity. So my rhythmic won't be disconnecting. Jesus Christ, man. Sure, see you on the moon, man. Oh, it's so funny. So funny, man. So funny. Oh, did they take the liquidity here? They did. We're looking to short this, like, I don't know. I just want to see what they do at the open. I don't think anything. I did take a stop yesterday, man. Right at the end of the day, it kind of sucked. Looking back on it now, it was kind of a stupid trade. It was the second test on this fucking gap. Dumb. $75.10 for ES. Yeah, that's the gap basically. Yeah, right here. Same area I have marked up. 75.06 is what I have, but yeah, could be this too. I don't know. It's hard for me to fucking mark this shit out. This thing is not the best. But yeah, 75.10 is where I see it too. BDP. Kind of look. I might take a short just right now. What do you think? We've already lost this 1 minute with the gap, and now they're failing it again. Just like stops at the top here. It's worth a shot, man. Fuck it. I'm short. Instant regret. Let's try to pass this account today. All right. We got market open in 22 minutes. 75.60 is gonna be PT. Runners lower. We're passing accounts today, man. How many passed so far? None. I blew all the other ones up. It was pretty bad, man. I got up to, I only needed $30 more. I had a 29.70 in profit. I only needed $30 more to pass the account. And then I was like, oh, I'll just fucking do a quick trade. You know what I mean? And just get $30. And then I lost 100. And then I was like, I'll just do another quick trade and then get it. Then I lost 300. Then I lost 400. And then I just started blowing up accounts because I just wanted to get out of this stupid Evals. I had 2 accounts like that. One was $100 away and one was $30 away. So bad, man. And then I was having problems with Quant Tower, so I bought another 5 accounts on this trade of it. Oh shit, it's already on, man. I gotta get it on cool. Get it on cool mode. So we'll see if we can pass some accounts now. Honestly, even if we start blowing up accounts, I don't care anymore. I don't want to be grinding out accounts. I just want to be passing one. Even if I can pass 1 out of the 5 by taking crazy trades, it's fine. And then once I get that one going, then I'll start trading like super proper. Okay, I'm gonna go for a quick smoke. Just get a couple PTs in here. All right, I'll be back.
You would have thought I needed help from this feeling that I feel. So shook, I had to catch my breath. Ooh, stay close, my shirt up over my head. Oh my, ooh, stay close, my skirt up in my feet. Oh my, ooh, some kind of touch the rest of my leg. Oh my, ooh, I'm turning red. What could this be? I looked over to the left. I looked over to the left, the reflection of myself. That's why I couldn't catch my breath. Ooh, stay close, my shirt up over my head. Oh my, ooh, stay close, my skirt up in my feet. Oh my, ooh, some kind of touch the rest of my leg. Oh my, ooh, I'm turning red. What could this be? What could this I looked over to the left. I looked over to the left. I looked over to the left, the reflection of myself. That's why I couldn't catch my breath. I looked over to the left. I looked over to the left, the reflection of myself. That's why I couldn't catch my breath. Ooh, stay close, my shirt up over my head. Oh my, ooh, stay close, my skirt up in my feet. Oh my, ooh, some kind of touch the rest of my legs. Oh my, ooh, I'm turning red. What could this be? I think I could get used to this. I think I could get used to this. And I think I could get used to this. Do you think you could get used to this? I remember when we went in, multicolored paint on my skin. Couldn't bear the night, turning into daylight. You're the only thing that I need. The silence in the air that I breathe. Solace in you, hold me in your mind. I think I could get used to this. I think I could get used to this. And I think I could get used to this. Do you think you could get used to this?
Order filled.
Early rise today. Don't care if we die today. Least we know we've tried today.
Yeah, FOMC, but later today, right? I think it's gonna be a nothing burger. Probably already pricing it in. windows in here. Die, motherfucker. Die. You got market intent. Mm. Five minutes until the open. Will they pump it? Maybe. Yeah, no doubt. That's what I want to. I'm loaded up. I'm loaded up on for this account. If this account blows up, I'm just gonna open the next account and load up again on the short. That's the plan. try it anyway. Doesn't really matter, you know. I just want to get out of these Evals, man. I'm over it. I'm over the Evals. A little bit of selling coming in pre-market. See if we get a little bit of follow through. Market in 1 minute and 25 seconds. Thirty seconds until the open. All right, here we go. Just dump it, you cocksuckers. Gonna just take a few off here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, 15 short I have. Oh, I think this dumps, man. I think we dump.
Order filled.
Hit another PT. $12 left, short. Probably a little bounce here. Should just take another PT here.
Order filled.
All right, 202 in profit. I'm gonna put stops at the top here just in case. What do we have left? 7 left. Maybe get some re-entries if they pump it. Looking for a bigger move down. Looking for re-entries if they push it back up to 92. I don't know if they will or not. Looks like no. $7 short left. I don't know if we're going to get re-entries here. Maybe. Nah, I didn't pull the trigger on that. Not high enough. Here we go.
Order filled.
Taking a couple re-entries here.
Filled.
Okay, added 3 more back in.
Order
4 more back in. This should dump, man. Look at that move on Russell. Wow. It's a pop on Russell, yeah? Another 7 minutes until the opening range is closed. The opening 15-minute range.
Tell myself as I stand in the mirror. I tell myself now that you're the only one. See the light as the path's getting clearer. I know now that I can get out alive.
Okay, selling pressure again. Looks like we're pushing for the lows here. Hey, we'll take a couple off here.
Order filled. Order filled.
9 left. Still have lots left.
Tell myself as I stand in the mirror. I tell myself now that you're
We're up to 300 in profit, just to kind of mitigate it if they pump it a little bit, you know. Not really what I'm trying to do, but can't help it. It's just the way to trade. All right, I think they're gonna push the lows here. At least this in range low. We'll take another PT there. But like this is fully tested at this point, so I would think that they're gonna go lower than this. Not looking good for the longs. There's a push. Didn't quite get it. I'm sure people had their PTs there. Four minutes until the opening 15-minute closes. Could bounce around this range here for a bit. Get a couple re-odds in here.
Order filled.
Look at that move on Russell. Wow. We're pumped, man. Bitcoin too. Pumpy.
Order filled.
Couple more re-odds in here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Couple more.
Order filled.
Okay, that's probably it for now. All right. 15-minute opening bar closes in 1 minute. Quite the move from the bottom, man. They're trying to hold this. They're trying. They're trying to hold it.
Order filled.
I don't know. I'm not sold yet. I still think lower. Could be totally wrong though. You never know. Never know with these things. We're back inside the opening range. Never a good sign. Never a good sign when you start closing back inside. We'll see if they end up closing this 15-minute here or not. Feeling the top of the opening range here. Just put it over here on this, man. This is the range, the opening range top. Let's see it. In 15 seconds until the 5-minute close. They close the 5-minute inside. That's pretty bad. Should be looking at the bottom of the range again. Here's the 5-minute close. So closing back inside the opening range. Usually that means we're testing the lows again. We did re-add again. We're 16 short. Take some off at the lows. NQ looks pretty bad. NQ looks worse than ES. Here's the opening range highs again. NQ not looking too hot, man. Just dump it, man. Just dump it. Let's test the lows again. Russell in a pretty good spot for a short. I'm sure Nancy would have took that. All right, a little bit more selling pressure at the highs again, having trouble at the opening highs. So again, so we're most likely testing the lows here. NQ almost back at the lows. Just hanging around here, man. Come on. Enough. Just wake me up when it's ready. Should have just shorted Russell. A little bit more selling here. Holding where they need to, yeah. I'd like to see some closes below this. I don't like seeing them hold that. But NQ looks pretty bad. NQ is not holding it, so I think NQ is gonna dump. So is ES. Everything tested here, so NQ is going below this. Maybe this holds. There's a fucking line here. Yeah, this. Maybe that. PT zone anyway.
Order filled.
Just took a quick PT. NQ almost at the bottom of the range. If NQ takes this liquidity, we'll take some more PTs. Yeah.
Order filled.
Gonna take a few more off here.
Order filled.
All right.
Order filled. Order filled.
Money time.
Order filled.
Money time, guys.
Order filled.
Guys, money time.
Order filled.
All right. I'm up big too today. 617 so far and 260 open. 7 contracts still long, or 7 contracts short still. I've been re-adding every time, just like taking some off, putting some on, taking some off, putting some on. This level might hold on NQ. You never know. ES took the liquidity. Order filled. Yeah, I know you. I don't know how to turn it off, man. Sorry. You guys hear it pumping out, eh? All the time. Order filled. Order filled. Still have 7 short. I'm gonna take off a couple more.
Order filled.
All right, 5 short for the run. I'm gonna get a stop in profit on this. We're up 686 so far. 686. We're gonna be moving to stop in a profit now. I don't want to give this back. I should honestly trail this. We're up 270 in open contracts too. What do we have here? 5? Yeah, 5. I'm gonna keep peeling them. ES is pushing on liquidity here. Thank you for that follow. I appreciate that. Whoever you were. I don't have the thing up. Sorry, it's Zoomy. Appreciate you, man. Money time, guys. Money time. Okay.
Order filled.
Pushing a couple more here.
Order filled.
Okay, we have 3 left. We're in the liquidity zone now for ES. They're sweeping the 4-hour, so we should see a bounce here. We're up 803 on the day. 180 in open profits. I'm getting a stop in for the rest of it. 3. It's just in profit. That's going to be it for today. Hopefully they just fucking keep dumping. I don't want to like that. I still think they're gonna dump this down to here, man, or at least this, you know, at least the top of this. Oh god. I don't think this is over. Nice, BDP. How'd you end up doing? I love to hear it, man. You must have done well. Were you shorting NQ also? Killed it in here today with the technical analysis. I did exactly what we said. Yeah, this is gonna push the lows, dude. Nice, BDP. That's fucking awesome. That's great.
Order filled.
2 left. Oh no, I closed it all by accident. Oh well. Nice, BDP, nice. I hope I have a fucking eval passed by Friday. If it keeps going like this, it will be. I closed all the trades by accident again. It's stupid. I had the wrong fucking number up here. I gotta watch that, man. I'm just not used to it. But yeah, that killed it today. We killed it again. $9.95 on the day. I'm only doing one account, but it should be with 5 accounts. Wait to get these fucking things passed, man. My winning percentage today is 100%. Didn't even lose one trade. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I think I do too, man. I just like to have the flexibility to like take some out and put some in, you know what I mean? You don't have that with like, I rather trade 15. I'd rather just pay the extra fees and trade 15 contracts. Really? It's a lot easier to like leave one runner or leave 3 runners, you know, when you have 15 to start with. A lot easier just to peel some off and take some profits. So the account is at 51,969. 1K more. I would like to take the next trade I'd like to take if it dumps down to this thing down here. I wish I left the runner. It's stupid not to. Really, I gotta really start being careful, man. Like I just gotta always make a point to look at how many contracts are in this before I start hitting that fucking market smash button. So, you know, profitable day. We win again. Congratulations, us. Just got a phone call coming in, guys. I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm happy to just be flat out of the market for FOMC. It's fine. If this was real money, I would have already been flat. I would have like once I made $500, I probably would have been done already. Hard to hold your trades and let it go back against you. You know what I mean? Like this. Should we do a re-add, guys? Should we? Should we do a re-add? Should we do it? They just took the liquidity at the 4 hour though, right? Did they? They did not. We'll do a little re-add here, man.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Just 3 contracts back in. This is basically the runners. Now, just back in again. This needs to reject here and now, you know. I'm not giving this day back, right? So, needs to reject. Needs to do it right now, or I'm getting stopped out. It's as simple as that, guys. You know, I'm not gonna. Oh yeah, I'm gonna hold this for it's. I'm either getting stopped out, or I'm getting, or it's breaking, right? Take one at the sweep of the lows. Probably get stopped out though, man. Honestly, I just can't. I don't want to risk it. I had a great day at $1,000. I don't want to start taking like, you know, stop losses for $300 and shit, or $400 stop losses. Just dump it, man. Just dump it for me while I have it. Stop out coming. One point. One tick to the stop out. You fuckers. How could you do this to me? Yeah, there's the stop.
Stop filled.
Break even. That's alright, man. You know, we tried, right? They left equal lows here, man. I would not be surprised if they fucking dumped this shit. Maybe a sweep of this first. I don't think they'll sweep that. So, $1,000 on the day. Can't go wrong. I think that's gonna be it for me. I don't want to keep searching around for trades. Do you guys have any charts that you want me to look over? Is there any charts out there? Last call for charts. Last call for charts. You should just have a look at the old SpaceX and shit. How did everything do today? SpaceX? No, not too much, yeah. Just a pump and then a dump. I wouldn't even trade this. How's Tesla doing? SpaceX eating its lunch or what? Ugh, this thing has been so fucking range bound for so long, man. Thanks, Robus. Appreciate you, man. Really, 1,000 more, man. We just need to do what we did today, tomorrow, and then that's it. Fucking short 10 right here. Really. This is a pretty good spot to be shorting, man. Pretty good spot, man. Just 100 contracts short right now. This is a good spot. Taking the liquidity. Here's the liquidity grab on yes. Opening range highs here again too. See what they do. There might be one more trade here, man. If they start failing the opening highs again, then there's going to be another trade. Just 100 contracts right now short. And we can be done with it. See? I would have already passed if I did 100 contracts short on my line there. Failing the opening range again. They're trying to hold it now. See, I'd like to see a 3-bar up here. Yeah. Look at this level that I drew on fucking NQ, you know what I mean? It's like, oh yeah, keep an eye for this level, it might hold. Fuck, man. I just need to take trades. You know, and like listen to what I do. Look at this level on Russell that I drew out. Mind you, that one was like kind of underway already. But this NQ one was not. CL moving, you said? Let's have a look at it. They've gained the 4 hour. I had this line here. Yeah, they took liquidity. They took liquidity and they gained the 4 hour, so. Yeah, doesn't look too bad. Did they already test this on the way up? Let's just check this out. Yeah, they did. So kind of weak on the way up, so you'd want to see this hold up here. You don't want them to lose this level, right? If they start losing this level up here, then this is all tested already, so you really don't want them to lose that level. What are you doing up here? Yes, you're just gonna fucking, you know, bitch around for a bit. How's gold doing? Let's have a quick look, quick peek at the old gold. Gained, held, gap created. I'd like to see them fill this gap before continuing, but I think that they're gonna fail this regardless. Nothing like a 100% trading day, you know? It feels good. It feels so good. I'd like to see a nice 3-bar up here on the 1 minute for ES. If they do that, I'll take a short. Having problems again at the opening range. They've had problems all day here up here, so need to see a 3-bar though. Gaining the 5 here. Good show that I fucking closed down the runners then, eh? I would have been stopped out for sure on all of it. Did you guys check if the YouTube's working? Is anybody even on YouTube? I don't even know. I just fired it up for that one dude in the Discord. So he always watches it after the fact. Just help him out. It looks like a little bit more buying here. It's pretty big buy up, you know what I mean? Breaking the opening range now. This 3 bar would have been a good buy opportunity down here. Looking back at it, right here. What kind of software doesn't have like a tool that you can draw? Pretty, man. Anyway, this right here, this 3 bar, 1 2 3. They did that right as they got back inside the opening range, and then they presented a 3 bar. That would have been a pretty good buying opportunity. Looking back on it now, even if you just bought it here, bought the pullback or whatever, you could have had your stop right here at this thing. So looking back at it now, it's okay. So some buying here. ES gaining to 15 at resistance. We'll see what they do at the opening range, area. That's the 15-minute gain too. So we'll see if they can hold this area here, or if they're gonna fall apart. Really, I should have paid attention to this 3 bar here. I wasn't really paying attention to it, but looking back on it now, like this was I should have been paying attention to that. This 3 bar, this is when they got below the opening range. The opening range was here. This was the end of the opening range, right here. So that was the end of the opening range. So they got below it, and then they got back above it and started closing above it. And then they presented a 3 bar. So that's a buy signal, you know, when that happens. So it could have made some money, at least up until the back to the top of the opening range. This is also a buy signal. They did a 3 bar as they're breaking out of the opening range. So could take trades here and have stops here. But if they start closing back inside, like they start closing back down here, then it's all over for this shit. Yeah, they need to hold this right here, right now. You know, it's the 5-minute gain retest. If they don't hold this, or like this at the very least, this area, this whole thing's gonna fall apart. They present a 3-bar here, but a 3-bar going into support is not the greatest. They did take liquidity though, so you know you wouldn't be wrong taking a trade here and just having your stops here. I like a little bit more confirmation. I'd like to see it close below this. Close back inside. This is the opening. This is the top of the opening range. This is the top of the opening range right here. Oh man, you know, just stop, you know. So you don't want to see them closing back inside there. I'm gonna see to hold that level for further up. This is the top of the opening range. It's also coinciding with the 5-minute gain here, right? So this is the 5-minute that they gained. So really want them to hold that too, right? And now that they've gained it, at the very lowest, you don't want them closing below this down here. Might have another trade on our hands here. For me, I like to wait for like confirmation, right? So I'd like to see them have closes below this before I'm jumping back in again. But now it's starting to look like they're going to. Gave away a lot of the trade. You could have took this trade right here after this 3-bar and just had your stops at the top. This is not the, this is not the best because they're just retesting this 5-minute candle here and they're in liquidity, so I don't know. It's not like the easiest trade because there's 2 different signals, right? I'd rather just stay out of it. Or maybe I'll trade down and just have like a small trade. Just a small trade, man. It's fine. I've already made tons of money today. Well, these are going to be like runners again, We're going to be looking for lower, like much lower. And again, I'm just going to be chasing this with a stop. It's a really small trade, man. It's just because I've already made a bunch of money here, right? Like I don't want to be trying to fuck up my day here. This is definitely not looking good now. It's looking like we're going down here on the 4 hour. I'll probably be stopped out before then, but let's see. It's the type of trade that you hold. This is the low of the day. Or the opening range low. Don't really need that on there anymore. All right, a bit more selling coming in. Yeah, I'll be moving. I'm going to be chasing these candles down, right? With the stop. Need to be aggressive with it. Oh, it might get stopped out here. It stops right at, you know, it kind of sucks. It stops right at the retest area. What can you do? Just move it up just a bit. Just take a little loss if it goes. Give it to that. Give it a chance to retest this. See how this 15-minute closes. If they close back above here, you know, if they close back above here, then it's this. They'll have saved this. It's not looking good though. This is all tested, all of it. And this last one is a double bottom up here on the 4 hour. So here's the range lows again. Just gonna move my stop up to this. We'll take one off here.
Order filled.
All right, one runner. The runner is going to be for much lower. We'll just trail it down. Another $50 in the bank. Great day today, man. 1,050. And then $50 open. We'll see if that runner pays off or not. Really great day. How about that Russell short? Wow. Yeah, that's probably going to be it though today. Unless you guys have any other charts or anything, we're not going to trade anymore. We're just going to run this stop down with this. So, you know, whatever happens. We'll probably get stopped out. Expect this down around, like, you know, down here around 510. Unless you guys have any other charts you want me to look at real quick. Last call for charts. All right. Many of you lurkers, if you haven't joined the Discord, you can. Just type links in the chat. Here, I'll type it for you. Exclamation point links, and you can get to it from there. We do chat charts in the Discord. Or if you guys need any help with anything, just, you know, message me and let me know. I'm happy to just go over whatever you guys want. If you're new, or just send me a message on Discord. It's all good. We are working on a bot it's gonna be an AI trading agent or whatever. We're working with the coders right now. My roommate from college, I have a computer science degree actually, so not that translates too much into AI, but the good part is like you can just tell AI to fucking write the code and then you can just review it, so it's a little bit easier. You don't have to actually fucking guess at the code if you don't know it that well. It really speeds up the fucking process, that's for sure. So that'll be coming down the pipe. I'm pretty excited about it because we're training it to trade like we trade on stream here, so be pretty good to have that on. Probably gonna set it up on Hyperliquid first, Hyperliquid and Bybit, maybe even just Hyperliquid, I don't know. And then it's gonna be on BTC, ETH, XRP, I think, and then the Qs and the SPY, the SPY, in crypto. We're gonna do it all in crypto at first. I think just those four though is what we're gonna look at. Bit more selling here. We're gonna push the lows here. Gonna move the stop up again. Pushing the lows. NQ actually holding up here though, so yeah, this is a good spot for this to stop. I don't want them back above this really. I'm just gonna close this down. Yeah, keep going, man. Probably gonna get stopped out of this. I'm gonna start trailing this very close soon. All right, I'm gonna exit this. All right, another $100.
Order filled.
Let's fucking go, boys. BDP probably got stopped out of that, I'm sure, if he wasn't at the charts to re-enter. I don't know if he's still here or not. How about 100% win rate today? Not even one trade went wrong. One at break even. You know what I mean? All the rest wins. How about that? Yeah, I would have been stopped out here, right? This could still go down. So I entered this trade late too, man. Like you could have entered up here on this 3-bar here first. 1, 2, 3. But I waited until this was done and they presented another 3-bar. So like that's when I entered in. But really, I could have been on this 3-bar. You could have put it there. The second they broke this, you could have entered there. I waited until this, and then entered. Anyway, thank you guys all for being here, man. I appreciate you all. I'm gonna do a little bit more work on the stream. It looking a little light. I gotta change some shit up a bit and change up some of the partners, as I'm not using Quant Tower anymore. It's a piece of shit software. I do not recommend it. All right, guys. Thank you guys all for stopping in, man. I appreciate you, and I will see you tomorrow.
what future lies ahead. Life, life. Feed us your soul, feed us your light, feed us your plans, feed us your love, feed us your soul, feed us your light. Mother, don't know what we're waiting for. We're ready, but our eyes are shut. To dive in, to dive in, waiting for a change to come. Ah, we feel the skies opening up, to climb it, ah, to dive in. I'm sick of these words that you make in your mouth. Sick of your voice that fills my mind. Stop conversation, it doesn't make sense. This full situation, I think I still bad. I was hiding emotions, don't think it's right. Now instead of roses, you get the gun. I'm sick of these words that you make in your mouth. Sick of your voice that fills my mind. Stop conversation, it doesn't make sense. This full situation, I think I still bad. I was hiding emotions, don't think it's right. Now instead of roses, you get the gun. So far